Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have Uncle Brick, and these are some Lego type items here, and I'm gonna show you what this is, and then I'll show you us putting them together. So this is it here. It's got a lot of pieces, and it is going to look like that shark that moves maybe. I don't know. We're gonna try it out. Look at how many pages there is. There's 200 and something steps, 230 steps. So this is gonna be quite an ordeal that we go through, but heck, there's all the different pieces and parts. They look just like the regular other ones, so there you go. You get to watch